Hi everyone, it's Shalini and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I created this soft glam makeup for this festive season. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. I've already done my skincare, and if you want to know my skincare routine, then find a link for it in the description box. A good skincare and primer together can make your makeup last longer. Trust me, this works. For primer, I'm using Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. This is a silicone based primer. So I'm doing the usual step, that is applying the primer on my T-zone area, pressing the product into my skin and then dragging the product to evenly spread out the product. And then whatever product is left on my fingers, I'm applying this all over my face. This is such an extra step, but trust me, this makes a huge difference. Lately, I've been creating my own color corrector, mixing my favorite concealer by Wet n Wild and some red lipstick and creating a peachy pink color corrector, applying this under my eyes and around my lips. If you want to, you can apply the red lipstick directly under your eyes and around your lips, but you have to be very careful. Make sure you do not overdo it, so slightly touch the lipstick under your eyes and around your lips. But you can use the dab motion also. So the color correction which we did, it is going to help our concealer to blend into our skin. So I'm concealing under my eyes, around my lips a little bit, and also my forehead. You can see that I have slight bit of under eye dark circles going on and also pigmentation under my eyes. So this is going to help that pigmentation vanish away like that. And this concealer which I'm using is true to my skin color. This is my true shade. This is in the shade medium tan and the formula is amazing. For foundation, I'm using Nykaa SKINgenius foundation in the shade True Tan. This is one of my favorite foundation. I'm taking one pump of this product in the back of my hand and then taking the product from the back of my hand and directly applying the product all over my face. You can see that I'm using the dab motion and not the drag motion. So make sure you pat the product into your skin. In that way, you will get better coverage and there won't be any wastage of foundation. And also you can notice that there is no foundation on my forehead because the concealer itself had great coverage, so I skipped the foundation on my forehead. And my base is done. To avoid creasing under my eyes and to set my face and my base, I'm going to use some compact powder. This is by Coloressence. You can see that I'm using a drag and swipe motion to make sure there won't be too much product under my eyes. It's time for my eyebrows. I'm using Maybelline Duo Shaper in the shade brown. First, using the pencil side of the product to give a definition and shape to my eyebrows. I'm using a little bit of product at a time, okay? Then later, I'm using the powder side of the product to fill up all the sparse area. This eyebrow product is so amazing, especially for the fact that this is not at all deeply pigmented eyebrow product. So any beginners out there who are struggling with their eyebrows can also use this. It's time for some eyeshadows all over my eyelids. First, I'm using a fluffy blending brush and some compact powder and applying this all over my eyelids to avoid any creasing. I have oily eyelids and eyeshadow won't stick if I won't set my eyelids. So setting my eyelids are important, and it also creates a perfect base for all the eyeshadow. And yes, this is going to be my transition color also. Whenever I want to create a soft subtle eye look, I always use a brown color. So I'm using my Lakme Illuminating Palette in the shade French Rose. I'm picking up that brown color in a very big fluffy angled shape blending brush, and I will focus the product on the crease area and outer half of my eyelids. For my lids, I'm using Miss Claire Baked Blush in the shade 08. This is such a stunning coral orange color with a reflex of gold in it. It goes really well with the crease color, that is brown color. I'm applying this product directly with the help of my eyes, and I'm patting the product all over my eyelids and not pushing the product or dragging the product. In that way, I will get good pigmentation all over my eyelids and there won't be any fallout. To blend away the harsh edges and to make the transition look very smooth, I'm using a fluffy blending brush and I'm blending the crease and the lid color together. And now my favorite part of this eye look, that is contouring and defining my lower lash line. Trust me, you will see that this will change the entire eye look altogether. I'm using that same brown color in a flat smudger brush and I'm patting that color all over my lower lash line. You can see that the brown color gives a smoky effect to my lower lash line, but it is a subtle color at the same time. Hold on, the eyes are not done yet. We will get back to it later. First, let me bring back some warmth and color to my skin. I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Contour the Force Mini Bronzer in the shade 01 Topper. Such a subtle bronzer this is. You can see that my skin doesn't have a contoured look, but it looks like I have some color on my face, some definition on my skin. I'm using a big fluffy brush to contour my nose. I'm really happy with the end results of it. It's time for highlighter, then we will move on to blush and blend everything together. I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. This is such a stunning highlighter. If you want to, you can build up the highlighter, but because we were going for the soft glam look, so I kept it very subtle on my face so that when the light will hit my face will glow but it won't blink. You know what I mean? And I also highlighted my brow bones, bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow. For blush, I'm using that peachy color from Maybelline Blush and Highlighter palette, and I'm sticking to the theme of this video, so I barely touched my skin with the blush brush. But the blush is there, it is very subtle on my skin. Now I'm using my powder brush all over my face to sort of set and blend everything up. I'm going to finish the eye makeup now. Next step is pretty optional for you. If you want to, you can skip this part and apply mascara. I'm going to create a wing eyeliner. For that, I'm using I Want You So Double Matte Eyeliner in the shade 01 Black, and I created a very small flicked wing. To finish up the eyes, I'm applying some mascara. This is a volumizing mascara by L'Oreal. This is so true to its name. If you want to, you can apply some falsies after this. And now comes my favorite part, that is applying lipstick. For that, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Matte SL Crayon Lipstick in the shade 16 Carry Underwood. Can you see the lip color? I do not own a shade like this. Stunning, beautiful color. I think this is a mix of brown and orange and brick orange color. I don't know, I'm so bad at defining colors. But the entire look was definitely created keeping in mind this lipstick. This look will also look good with a bold lipstick like red and brown and dark maroon shades or a nude color. And to make my makeup last longer and set up and lock up all the mehnat that we did on my face, I am going to use a setting spray by Makeup Revolution, and that completes the look. To finish the festive look, I am wearing some silver jewelries. To know the detail about my outfit and jewelry, please check the description box. And this completes the soft glam festive look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this and learned something from this video. Now you know what to do. For more of such videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. And what else? Like, comment, share. I'll see you all next time. Bye. Hey, hold on. I'm here with my bare face to announce the giveaway winner. First of all, thank you so much for all the love and support from your side. I really need it. Otherwise, this channel won't work. Thank you so much for participating in the giveaway. The comment section was filled with so much love. People from all over the country were commenting. People from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Bhubaneswar were commenting on my videos. Coming to the point, the giveaway. Okay, you knew the rules ki kya karna hai, kaise karna hai. So the giveaway winner is Lipika Nandi. Yay, Lipika, congratulations. Just DM me on Instagram or Twitter. Now don't be disheartened if you haven't won the giveaway, because I'll be hosting different giveaways for different platforms, that is Twitter, YouTube and Instagram, and I won't mix everything all together. We can connect there also. That being said, festive season is coming. Stay blessed, stay happy and help each other out. I'll see you all next time. Bye.